Welcome to my honest review of Paycor, a popular accounting and payroll software that helps businesses manage payroll, HR, and accounting tasks. In this video, I'll be diving into the core features of Paycor, so you can get a better idea of what this platform has to offer. When you first land on the Paycor website, the layout is clean and user-friendly. The navigation is straightforward, with clear options to explore their products, resources, and customer support. The first thing you'll notice is how Paycor integrates HR and payroll processes, which can save businesses a lot of time. Let's start with a look at its payroll functionality. Paycor offers a comprehensive payroll system that's perfect for businesses of various sizes. Setting up your payroll is easy, and you can automate pay runs, tax filings, and even employee benefits, all in one platform. This means you can reduce errors and save hours of work each week. The dashboard is easy to navigate, and reports are customizable. One of the features I really appreciate is the compliance tools Paycor offers. It helps businesses stay compliant with local, state, and federal regulations, something that can be a nightmare for companies to keep up with on their own. The tax calculations are also automated, which reduces the risk of making costly mistakes. As far as HR features go, Paycor includes tools like employee scheduling, time tracking, and performance management. You can manage everything from new hires to employee performance reviews with ease. It's great for businesses that want an all-in-one platform for both payroll and human resources. The platform also integrates well with other business tools, which is a huge plus if you're already using software like QuickBooks or other accounting solutions. Paycor also supports integrations with major accounting software, making it a versatile option for many businesses. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. These links might help you further explore additional tools that complement Paycor's offerings. Overall, Paycor is a solid choice for businesses looking for a reliable, all-in-one payroll and accounting solution. The user interface is intuitive, the automation saves time, and the compliance tools are a huge benefit. However, its pricing can be on the higher end compared to some competitors, so it's important to weigh the costs and benefits based on your specific needs. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more reviews of accounting and payroll solutions. Thanks for watching.